Hi there, everyone. Today I'm going to be telling you about annotating text using Google Docs. And so I'm using the article that you are actually going to be working on, which is what is sticky marketing, to show you or to demonstrate for you what you will need to do. So you can see that I already have some of the vocabulary highlighted for you. There it is. So I'm going to show you how you would do that. If you, when you annotate, want to highlight another vocabulary word, or just you want to highlight anything to make a comment on it. So let's say, for example, that one of the words I want to highlight is marketers. So I'm going to go over, have my cursor there. I am going to highlight the word. Then I will go up to the highlighting pen and I will choose a color. And this time I'm not going to choose the color yellow because that's used for the vocabulary words. So that the teacher, picked out. But this is going to be, let's say for you want to choose this word, so you're going to use green. Okay. And so for marketers here, you can make a comment. And your comment can simply be something like, what is a marketer, right? And you can comment. And then let's say you go ahead and you look it up. You could actually then comment with the definition. And so I'm not going to take the time to look it up right now, but you could put the definition here, definition, and fill it in, okay? Right. One of the other things other than vocabulary that you'll want to do when you are annotating is anything that catches your attention, seems important, seems interesting, is something that you didn't know about, but it is sort of sticking out to you. So for example, here it says, at the core of any sticky marketing campaign is a single elegant message. And I go, ooh, that seems important, a single elegant message. So this time maybe I choose a different color to highlight. So anything that seems like important, I'm going to choose my important things to be in orange, we'll say. And I'm going to say like, wow. Oops, let's try that again. Wow, that makes sense. Okay? Or you could say whatever you want to say. Right? So what will happen is you'll end up having a document that has pretty colors and will have these notes on the side. And that's going to let me see what you've decided is important, is interesting, your thoughts while you're reading, because annotating really is just taking notes as you're reading on the text itself. And if you had this as a copied, actual paper document, you would be using your highlighters or your pens or pencils. But in this case, in our virtual education, we are simply going to use the Google tools here. And another thing too, let's say you want to underline, right? So you're going to highlight. You can also use the underline button, and maybe you want to underline and highlight something that you might think is a main idea, and you can still make the comment here where it says add a comment, okay? So you can highlight, you can underline, you can make comments, and you can comment on your comments. All of that will help me get the idea that you read the article, you took the time to think about it and understand what you were reading.